Traders, hi, just a quick video. I was going to make this earlier, but I got on some tangent looking up some research and looking through some Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency charts, and I just wanted to discuss MGTI. And the primary reason is obviously it's quite extended out. It closed, this was on Thursday at 314 after making a high of 426, I believe. And now it's sort of floating around, mid threes. Well, no, not mid threes. Where did this close at here? 319. So what I want to discuss in detail, if we get to the 5-minute chart up, is some significant support and 275 with the bounce there. But what about near 3? If it can crack through, it's more a psychological level. If it can crack through $3 and hold below there, you might be able to target 20 cents a share or more, especially if it breaks 275. If it breaks down through 275, then it could be really off to the races potentially. As you can see, so 275. See, that's some significant support there. So and the catalyst would be China are investigating cryptocurrencies and currencies related to it, and they're really trying to make companies that deal in crypto stuff, cryptocurrencies, illegal. They've done this stuff before because obviously China's a little bit different than a democracy. They can just control things. They ban Facebook and everything like that. But here's the Bitcoin chart. So it's interesting how this will open up, because obviously this is a catalyst to MGTI. And I also want to make a point. So we'll go to, I should have, I think, better prepared, but I've got a press release that MGTI put out relating to buying 500 more Bitcoin mining rigs. So this is something that they've involved themselves in. So they are, the company has regard for the price of Bitcoin. So I'll just bring it up here on Market Watch. I was going to not, do anything related to the charts per se, but I've watched a few video lessons and I just can't help myself. I thought this was interesting. So very choppy. It was quite volatile Friday. So press release. So MGTI Capital announces additional purchase of 500 Bitcoin mining rigs. When was this made? 3:30 on the Friday. So let's see how things reacted. So you've got some. Well, I mean, it wasn't too bad. Bring up the 5-minute. Was it 3:30? That was 3:30. But then it sort of was like, well, okay. So it spiked a little bit from 303, 334 it got to. So interesting, and then it closed out at 319. So definitely worth watching. 290 is pretty interesting. But I mean, if it opens and just doesn't do much, and then starts going below 3, even like a 289. I mean, to be honest, if I'm being really fair, it'd be a worthwhile trade if it goes below 275. But the problem is, to get shares to short, it's going to be difficult. But if it can crack 275, then you're in the money. But if you have to get shares and it's like $3, then you've really got to be willing to sort of there might be some resistance and it might hold for a while, but under here would be sweet, and then clearing there, and then it could just go down pretty nice if we get the hourly chart up. It's just playing that catalyst because it was just not really well received. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to make that quick video, just letting you know my thoughts on it and how I might potentially play it. But it's one that I would say is a wait and watch. If there are shares available to short, I'll probably take a small position around 500 shares and just see how it plays. I mean, there's obviously a little bit of support around the 280-ish level, and then below 275 would be really good because there's nothing really significant until 230. So it's a good 40 cents a share, which isn't too bad. And then maybe 275, and then maybe have 10 cents up at like the mid 280s as risk, as a stop loss. I'll have it a mental stop loss, and then I'll just be watching it the whole time, ready to cover if need be. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy your holiday, Labor Day, everyone who are in the States, and happy trading.